Good evening, everybody. I'm Esteban. I've been with the art of shaving for about 4 years now. I'm a master barber at UTC in La Jolla, California. Today, I'm actually going to be cutting my dad's hair. He's in need of a haircut. Normally, what he gets a one fade on the side, scissor cut on top. But for your guys' benefit, I'm going to be doing this whole haircut with our Panasonic trimmer. It's one of the older models. It's really similar to the newer model. A comb and our Kent brush. This is kind of just to show you how to kind of maintain a haircut at home, especially if you have a roommate, a partner, or whatnot. This is what they can do to help you maintain your haircut. So if this isn't really an option for you, grow it out, let it loose, enjoy the long messy hair while you can. Today we're actually going to be doing just 6 millimeters or 2 guard on the sides, kind of blended up, and then cutting the top with the clippers. So I'll show you guys how you do that whole process. Super simple. And if you wanted at home to use a cape, you're more than welcome to, or a blanket, something to kind of keep the hair off. Once again, you're at home, you can kind of hop in the shower real quick. Combing the hair, you just want to kind of see where the growth of the hair is looking like. And there we go, guys. Haircut complete. 2 on the sides. Did about finger length on top, and then razored the back square.